In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable and activate 120 Hertz refresh rate on your iPhone. So check in the pinned comment down below to see if your device is capable of doing this before you try. But if it is, you want to go ahead and open up settings on your device. So go ahead and go to the settings app here. And then once under settings, scroll down and tap into accessibility there towards the top. And then once under accessibility, go to motion right there. And then at the bottom of motion here, you'll see an option that says limit frame rate. You need to make sure that that is unchecked and disabled. That way it's not going to limit the frame rate of the display to only 60 frames per second. So just understand that that needs to be disabled and over to the left. And if you have a compatible device, you will have the full 120 Hertz on your device. I'll have some frequently asked questions down below in a pinned comment. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.